So as I cycle through the M1, M2 buttons now, I have an M setup option. And I also have the ability to cycle through all of the different sport modes by pressing the M1 button. I can cycle over through to comfort mode as well, or into Eco Pro, adaptive, etc. And the other thing you'll be noticing, of course, is I've got the M Sport HUD display as well, which is a really nice feature. You can cycle through excuse me, the different information using the BC button on the right hand side there. You can also configure the instrument cluster in the new M setup menu that's been added to the car. So we go to instrument cluster, configure view, edit selection. I can change the display on the left, which is really nice. Work out when the engine's up to temperature, for example. I also have the M drift analyzer, which is pretty cool, in a G42. See how well that works with the X-Drive, four-wheel drive. I can also configure X-Drive as well with the DSC off. A whole bunch of additional options here, which is really nice. The final new trick in the car, you'll notice when I turn it off and open the door, is my seat is now sliding back for easier entry and egress with the comfort access function. So just a couple of things that were missing off the G42. It just brings it much closer to a full M car, and some basic things like the seat sliding are now all functioning really well.